What's the meaning of Center Parcs? Center Parcs. Center Parcs.
Center Parcs. Center Parcs. Center Parcs is a European network of family resort destinations. The name refers to the central location of each park within its respective forest setting. Center Parcs offers a wide range of indoor and outdoor activities, including swimming, spa treatments, biking, hiking, and more. Its parks are designed to provide a natural and peaceful atmosphere for families to relax and enjoy quality time together in nature. Overall, Center Parcs is known for providing guests with a fun-filled and relaxing holiday experience in a picturesque natural setting.